What's up, you guys? So today we are hitting a bunch of different outlet malls. We're going to hit Nike outlet, Adidas, maybe some Reebok, hopefully to find some products that we can flip on Amazon for a profit. If you're new to the channel, my name's Garrett. I've been selling on Amazon full time for the past 5 years. So if you like learning about making money selling on Amazon, hit that subscribe button. But today we're making a huge loop. I live in Arizona, so we're kind of hitting every outlet that's in my area. There's 4 Nike stores, some Adidas. So we're going to hit them up, hopefully spend some good money on some great products to flip, and hopefully make some good profits. So I'm going to bring you guys along for the ride. Hopefully it's enjoyable. Hopefully we find a lot of good stuff. I've been doing a lot more outlets lately because Nike's back to doing some sales. Not like they used to, but certain models they're giving 30% off that are clearanced out. And it seems every week they're having these deals. So I've been making 1 or 2 trips around to the outlets per week, scooping up a few hundred pairs of shoes a week that way in inventory. So I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride. First, we're gonna stop for some gas because we gotta fill up gas. We're gonna drive probably 100 miles today. So I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride. So let's go. Just pulled up at the Tanger outlets here in Glendale, Arizona. Gonna head on to Nike. There's an Adidas here that we're gonna hit too. So let's head on in and see what we can find. Let's go. Struck out at this Nike. We're gonna head to Adidas, and then we're gonna make our way to the Anthem outlets. This outlet never really is that good. So if you live in Arizona and you're thinking about making a long drive to Westgate outlets, I think it's called Westgate, right? Oh no, Tanger outlets. Not really worth the drive. This is how I go to Anthem, just because I like this freeway better. So I figured I'd stop by, but let's head to Adidas. Hopefully they have some stuff marked down, and then we'll make our way out to Anthem. Let's go. Just left Adidas. The only thing that was good were those Ultra Boosts. They were $129 and 50% off, so we paid about $65 tax exempt. Plus I used 9% off Adidas gift card, so we really, our all-in buy cost was about the $60 range, which is phenomenal for Ultra Boost. Typically Ultra Boost don't sell for under at $120, so if you can get them for like in this $70 to $60 range, which doesn't happen often, but sometimes it does, like you just saw, you can make some good profits. And just a quick tip for you guys thinking about doing Adidas on Amazon. Amazon sells a ton of Adidas, and they sell it for super cheap. Also, Adidas Official is on Amazon now on a lot more listings than what they used to be, and they're selling stuff for dirt cheap. So be very selective on what you're purchasing at Adidas. If it's not deeply discounted, I would pass. Especially the newer product, a lot of times Amazon comes in stock. They're charging sometimes cheaper than Adidas at the outlets. So you have to be very careful with Adidas. Also, Adidas is pretty friendly with coupons. You can get 15% off coupons quite often. You can always find discount gift cards for 9 to 12% off for Adidas. So always build in that safety net of margin into your products with Adidas. So that's just a quick tip for you guys. At bare minimum, do the 9%. Plus, they do allow you to do tax exempt. So don't go in there, pay only. Today it was only 40% off for most of the store. Don't go in there and buy stuff at 40% off and plus pay sales tax. You're going to lose money on most items eventually. So let's head to the next outlet. We're going to hit Nike at that outlet. I don't know if there's really any other stores. Might hit like Polo or something just to see what they got. Maybe Columbia. Columbia just gets salty with resellers, so don't know if I'll hit that, but we're definitely going to hit Nike, and then we're going to hit to the Scottsdale Mall, hit Nike, and then another outlet, hit Nike. We're just going to keep going and hopefully fill up this entire truck. Let's go. Just arrived at the Anthem outlet, and it actually says up to 60% off, which is more than any other outlet that I've been to. So I came up here last week. It was pretty good. They had some good stuff, so we're going to head on in and hopefully find some more good stuff. Let's go. just leaving this Nike outlet was great deals, 20% off of women footwear, and some of the men's footwear had clearance deals with an extra 30% off, which was absolutely awesome. So we were able to spend $1,230 on a total of 30 items. They let you spend up to like $3,000 or 30 items total. So I hit that 30 item max, which was awesome. So definitely worth the trip out here. Gonna head to the next Nike, hopefully get another 30. I can usually get 30 pairs at this Nike, so hoping for the best. And then we'll probably head home, unload the truck because we're gonna be filling up, and then we're probably gonna hit the other outlet and hopefully score some more. Let's go. Just leaving Nike Scottsdale, picked up 15 more pairs. There was nothing really to show you in the store. It was the same product that I purchased at the last one. So 15 more pairs, spent about 400-ish, $500-ish. Let me double check here. Never mind, we spent 620 bucks. Wasn't even paying attention. So 620 bucks, 15 pairs. It's about $40+ a pair. Not bad. Picked up some LeBrons that were selling on Amazon for $110. Paid about, what'd I pay on those LeBrons? $48.99 each, so not bad at all. So yeah, overall pretty good deal. So we're gonna head on to the next store, see what we can find. Let's go. So finally back, prepping a ton of stuff. Got all this stuff labeled, prepped up. Got more Ultra Boost. My car is still full because I went out again today. More Ultra Boost, more stuff over here. So we're just getting it all prepped. At the end, I'll show you guys kind of the full numbers of all the shipments, some of the items, some of the pickups, how much I paid for them. And also, guys, quick tip. Going back to school is going to be coming up here within the next month or two. So items like shoes, backpacks. I'll show you guys these backpacks I picked up at Nike today. Got some of these guys for 15 bucks. They're going for 45 on Amazon. Got some of the Nike Elite USA backpacks, which are paid 30 bucks each on these. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see, because most people I feel like are gonna be like, there's no way you got those for 30 bucks. $30. Can you see that? $29.99, 30 bucks. These go for $110 all day. Picked up 5, as many as I could. We got socks, hats, just tons of different items, inventory. So we're gonna prep all this stuff up. It's going to be a pretty big shipment. I'll show you guys what it's looking like so far. So far we have 60 SKUs, 381 items, average rank 101,000. That's because some of the products I purchased were a little bit higher rank, which is all good. They'll still sell because they're single listings. With shoes, guys, it all depends on like the clothing category on the listing. Some listings have a lot of variations. So 100,000 rank with a listing that has 8 different variations isn't the best listing in most cases for a lot of those variations. But if you find a listing, like some of the listings I sell on are replens, and it's literally one item that's ranked 100,000 in clothing, so it still gets 300-400 sales per month on that listing, and it's for that one item. So that's why you're seeing a little bit higher rank here, and I just want to let you guys know on that as well. Don't just have a set standard rank for a listing, right? It all depends how many variations. Is it a single listing with a single size on it, so on and so forth. But we're at 15,000 sales value, buy cost 6,000, and net profit 4,800. We're not even really like I'm not really halfway through even getting all this listed. So I was supposed to have someone here prepping this for me today, but they were sick. So doing it all myself. So let's see how much it's going to come out to at the end. So we pretty much got everything labeled. So I'm gonna hop in my computer and show you guys the final numbers, and then we're gonna get the shipment packaged up, ready to get shipped off to Amazon tomorrow. I'll have UPS come pick it up, but let's see what we're working with here. We have 104 total SKUs, 670 total items, average sales rank 65,000, total sales value $27,948. Buy cost $10,377, potential net profit of $9,703. So with that being said, we have to get to the not so fun part of packaging all this up. Let's see how many split shipments I get for this, because this is a lot of RA stuff. Some of it will all get sent to the same warehouse because I have over 18 quantity. but a lot of stuff I don't have 18 quantity, so it's going to get split. So let's see how many split shipments I get. So we got 5 different split shipments. How I like to do this is I like to work from the smallest shipments up to the biggest shipment. So I'm going to start with this one, hit this one, and then this one, and then that one, and then the last one will be easy because it's just all the rest of the items. All right, so just finished up packing everything. It's ready to go for UPS to pick up tomorrow, so this is what we're working with. And I apologize for being all sweaty too. I live in Arizona. It's about 114 degrees out, and this swamp cooler just isn't cutting it. So that's about 700-ish units. I forget the exact amount, but that is going to wrap it up for this vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment down below. If you have any questions, also if you're new to the family, consider subscribing. If you're looking to grow, scale, or even just start an Amazon business and are looking for some guidance, be sure to check out the Arbitrage University, which is my program that teaches you step by step from start to finish how to grow a successful Amazon arbitrage and wholesale business. So looking forward to seeing you guys on the next video, and I'll talk to you soon.